Hello and a very good morning. My name is Faiz Hakimi bin Mohamed and my SV is Dr. Azli bin Nawawi. My project title is Cost Reduction and Design Improvement of Hand Mixer for Baking Using Design for Manufacture and Assembly, Dfma. Firstly, in abstract. In a competitive market, a product must deliver high performance at low cost. To design a new and improved product, use design for manufacture and assembly. Dfma states emphasize the benefit of applying Dfma to a product. The Dfma method simplify and lower the cost of original design. The study used manual Dfma Dfa calculation of the chosen product, a hand mixer. The manual design for assembly Dfa methodology was used to explain the hand mixer Dfma application. The study methodology was explained, as was the manual Dfa analysis of design efficiency. The original hand mixer design had a 293.54 second operation time and a Rn 150 operation cost. The improved design hand mixer efficiency was 60%, saving Rn 89 ringgit 23 cent and 220 seconds in cost operation time. The original hand mixer design efficiency was 46%. The new hand mixer increased design efficiency by 30.43%. The manual Dfa methodology was used to compare the original and improve efficiency design performance. Next, for the introduction, the design for manufacture and assembly Dfma is a system that allows efficient manufacturing and assembly. By connecting the smaller part, we can create a larger structure. The use of Dfma approach many other advantages for the product, such as product quality, reduction of the number of components, easy to assembly produce, standardization, flexibility, and cost reduction. Next, for the literature review. The study was made by Barbosa at year 2013. He said the implement of Dfma approach to the better evaluate manufacturing process, assembly, maintenance, efficiency, and human factor. Next is from the 4th 2002. He said that Dfma demonstrated by the decrease in a total cost and product cycle time for many companies such as Alcoa, Boeing, Dell, and others. Next, for the methodology of my product, firstly we start by identify product to improve. Next, after we identify the product, we disassemble the product and study part detail. After we study the part detail of the product, we evaluate the design efficiency of original design using table Dfa table. Is the result verified? We interpret result from Dfa table from the original design. If not, we need to evaluate the design efficiency of the original design using Dfa table. After we interpret the result from the Dfa table from original design, we propose product design modification, which means Dfa. After that, we evaluate the design efficiency and improve design using Dfa table. After we improve design using the Dfa table, we compare the result between original and improved design. After the design improved, we construct the visual representation of proposed modification. If not, we need to propose product design modification again, and we evaluate the design efficiency, improve design using the Dfma table. Compare the result between original and improved design. After yes, we construct the representation of product and documenting and reporting. After that, we finish our product. Next, for the result of the hand mixer. In front and rear casing, we eliminate fastener. The original design used 4 screws as a fastener for the rear casing and front casing. Meanwhile, the modified design used the snap fit concept, where it will different between the picture above. A few parts can be reduced through the near and front casing new design, such as 4 screws. The snap fit used was not to add the raw material used for the product, as it replaced the removed lock of the screw at both and rear and front casing. Neck and front casing will eliminate the handle cover. The original design utilized hand handle cover provides secure grip of hand mixer. As a result, because the handle cover was removed, the modification to handle the cover was proposed. Then, as shown, the gripping mechanism provide to the base handle to eliminate handle cover part can reduce assembly time. The modified design reduces the assembly process while maintaining the original process performance. For the discussion, the comparison between the original design and the modified design will be differentiated in a discussion of the study. To begin, the original design with 32 different parts and total quantity of 53 parts could be reduced to 27 different parts and total quantity of 47 parts. According to the Dfma method guideline, the assembly process can be reduced when the number of parts is reduced, and thus the improved design was able to reduce the assembly cost. Furthermore, both of the original and improved design are analyzed using the Dfma manual analysis to determine the design efficiency. The hand mixer original design had an operation time per unit of 293 and 54 seconds, and operation cost of the product is Rm 150. The original design hand mixer had a design efficiency only 46%, while the improved design of hand mixer efficiency was 60%, lowering costs and by time only Rm 89 ringgit and operation time 223 per second respectively. Lastly, for the conclusion of my project, based on the result analysis, it's possible to conclude the design for assembly Dfma process is very useful to evaluate the current hand mixer. This method is also very useful in optimize the production performance and operating costs for the product under consideration. When design efficiency and assembly costs are compared before and after improvement, this method shows a significant improvement. It is also possible to conclude that reducing the number of parts will improve design efficiency and thus lower assembly costs. According to the finding of this study, The DFA method is very useful in reducing production costs as well as number of parts. The effective of the approach from both dealers include to develop technology based on the DFA approach that were being used. The objective of this study were met because the original hand mixer was measured and the design efficiency was evaluated using the manual DFA analysis method. The original design hand mixer had a design efficiency of 46%. Furthermore, at 60% design efficiency and at the improved design will better performance and lower assembly cost was produced. The difference between the original and improved design can be interpreted as design improvement of 30.43%. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.